Okay, I'm gonna show you how I got my tiles looking like that over there in my pool. And it was just with this simple cleaner right here, Granite Gold. It's for counters. It's also great on tiles. And I made my tiles on my pool after I cleaned them look really great with this stuff. And it removes some of these deposits here. As you can see, after I scraped, just like these tiles here, these tiles have some dirt, some that's impounded and impacted in, and some of it's a salt deposit, and some of it's calcification. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray half of it, wipe it, and show you the big difference. So here we go. Let's see. Let's start with the impacted salt here. Watch this. Get a little juicy on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming off. And we'll leave the other half there so it'll dry. But this stuff is awesome. I just love it. And just try and do half here. Half a tile so you can see the difference. I mean, this stuff works like really fast. Like I said, it's Granite Gold polish. Stone Care products by Stone Care experts. Enhances shine, luster on the granite, marble, and other natural stone and quartz surfaces. Well, it works on stinking tile too. It's awesome. I love it. I mean, it made me look, my pool tiles just look so great. And that one's being a little bit difficult to get off here. Okay. Oh yeah, but it's coming. It's coming. Okay, I'll go on this side. I don't want to spray that other tile because I want you to see the difference. It's gonna be a little hard here. This is some of the calcification that's on here. Okay. Didn't say you have to not use a little bit of elbow work on some of this stuff, but it does clean it up. It comes right off. I mean, I'm gonna show you the paper towel afterwards. It's like, it'll be pretty dirty. And as the air dries, it's gonna look sharp. I mean, this calcification, salt, dirt, etc., just all coming off. And I mean, it's already drying right now. As you can see on the salt here, it is built up on there. And as you see, it's just clean as a whistle. I mean, I don't know how much more I can give you the best of the spectrum there, but it not just cleans it, but it polishes it up. It looks great. It just cleans it up. And as you can see, this side is a little bit hard to see, but you can see the dirt here, and you can see the clean part here. There's the good sun angle there. I'll give you the clean spot. I mean, this stuff works like a champ. But going back over to my pool tile here, I mean, yeah, you got to keep it out of the water as best you can because you don't want that mixing with your pool. But all my edges and stuff, they just came out just looking great. I mean, still after cleaning them, I had a white, powdery, misty looking stuff on there, kind of a salt, slight calcium layer, and it just cleaned them all up to look great. And the product right here, folks, I'm telling you, is Granite Gold polish. You can get this at Lowe's. It's awesome. I think they sell it at Home Depot too, and it's not that expensive. Give it a try. It works for me. God bless.